Welcome to part 3 of the carousel conversion. First thing you're going to need is a hose clamp and a decorative dowel to go on the top. You're going to want to make sure that your hose clamp is the same diameter or larger diameter than your wooden dowel. So you just place that right over it. Place it where you want the bottom of your carousel horse to be and screw it in place. Now insert your wooden dowel through the holes on your horse that you pre-drilled. That was part 1. Now for the wooden embellishment at the top, make sure your drill bit is slightly smaller than the screw on the embellishment. In part 1, I showed you how to place a screw at the end of your wooden dowel to mark a place to make a hole in your horse. After you remove that screw, that's where you're going to drill to place your new wooden embellishment at the top. Some of you may have gotten yourself a horse that when you took it all apart, the legs actually came off. In that case, just use some liquid nails and a caulk gun and glue them back on and place the legs back in place. And with something heavy, I used a hammer, place on top of it to hold it in place. Then give it a couple of days to dry. All that's left now is to paint it and add embellishments. I'll do that on another video. Here's links to parts 1 and part 2 of the conversion process. I'll also add links to the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.